Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off today with these Dollar Tree chunky wood stars. And the first thing I'm going to do is cut off all of the hangers, and then I'm going to paint each one of them with a couple of coats of white acrylic paint. I did all sides of them. You could use acrylic paint or chalk paint, whatever your preferred choice of paint is. And I did all of them, like I said, and I did the sides, and I also did the backs. So I'm just going to give them a couple of good coats. The top half, I only did one coat. The rest, I did two. So the very tops only have that one coat because we are going to cover them with this scrapbook paper that I got at Joann's. And it came in this paper pack by Park Lane. And it has all different really cute Patriotic papers in it. So I'm going to start off with the striped red and white paper. And I'm just going to kind of take that perforated edge off the top that held it into the book. And I'm just going to lay my star down, trace it out, and then move on to the next one. So I'm just using a pencil to trace these out. Once I had that one all done, I'm going to work on the next one, and I'm going to use this Stars and Stripe paper. It has some lettering on it that says Stars, Stripe, Liberty, America. And I'm going to trace the second star out on that. And then I am going to work on the just blue and white with the stars on it. And that's going to be my final one. And again, just tracing it out. Once I have them all traced out, I can start cutting them out. So I'm just going to grab my scissors and start cutting them each out. So I started off with the stars one. I'm just kind of going around, cutting it all out, getting them ready to attach to the stars. So once I have them all cut out, I'm going to just check them for size to make sure that I didn't miscut. And now I'm just going to take my Mod Podge and start attaching them to each one of the stars. Make sure I put a good thick coat. This paper is kind of a little bit on the thicker side. It's not like your regular really thin scrapbook paper. So I'm going to use quite a bit of Mod Podge. And I'm going to put that star one on. Again, making sure everything lines up. And then going on to the next one. And again, just another good coat of Mod Podge until I get all three of these attached. Once I have them all attached and they're all dry, I'm just going to take my sander and sand off all of the excess paper on all of them. So I just went around all of the edges of each one of the stars and got rid of all that excess paper. Once I have them all sanded, I'm going to take these stickers that I got at Joann's also. They're from the same collection, again by Park Lane. And they had this cute little lab wearing a little bandana with an American flag on it. And I'm going to stick that right to my middle star. And I have a lab, so I really wanted to use this sticker. And that is it. This project is finished. These are super cute little shelf sitters. They look great in a tiered tray. And you could kind of make it any way that you wanted. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.